Python has multiple data types. One category of data type we'll be working with is called numeric. Variables can store values. A data set describes what kind of value you are storing and what you can do with it. With a numeric data type, we can do math with it. So the first data type with a numeric is called an int. So an int is nothing but just a regular number without any decimal places. Secondly, we have a float. A float is a number with a decimal spot in between. And lastly, we have what's known as a complex data type. Complex data type is a number with a text. And if you're ever unsure about what data type you're working with, you can actually use this function called type and wrap it around a number. You can see we put 4.4 in there and we got float, or you can do 1000 and we get an int.